while. We're still looking at heavy rain across the area here, heavy enough where the flash flood warning was in effect and continues that way into Marathon. There goes your tornado warning, canceled now by the Weather Service, not reissued as things have wound down here, and hopefully we not get some damage as a result of that. What else is upcoming? Well, we have more on the way as far as the significant rain. There is the flash flood warning for the lower Keys that continues into Marathon and into Duck Key, and then of course we have this big swath of rainfall that continues pushing in. In fact, this has prompted flood advisories for both portions of Broward. That's been in effect for a while. That goes until 7:30, and now this new one down across portions of southern Miami-Dade that includes Homestead, heading down into the Turnpike. That's a mess right now across the 18-mile stretch and into Cutler Bay. Our good friends there are dealing with some very heavy rainfall as everything continues to move on in. There's the flood advisory for for Broward County, including Fort Lauderdale, the airport there, and Hollywood. Of course, we've been talking about heavy rainfall. Look at the impact here as far as the big rain continuing to kind of pivot in and rotate in. And I've been talking about the timing, the coinciding of the high tides coming up for later on tonight. They're generally between 9:45 tonight and 10 o'clock, and that is going to be an issue because at that time, this low that you see spinning there, you can see the spin right along just north of the Keys. That's the center of the low. Well, that has to move through all of Miami-Dade and into Broward, and all the while it's going to be pushing the water in. So that is going to be the issue. The flood watch obviously continues through tomorrow morning, but conditions will begin to improve, and I'll show you that on Rain Tracker along with the tides that coming up in a few minutes. Let's check into that with meteorologist Cindy Preszler. With all the rain that we've already gotten, Cindy, those numbers are starting to get old. We're going to have to update those soon. Yeah, we are. We already had up to 6 inches of rain, and this is on top of the saturated ground with all the rain that, of course, Broward County had yesterday. So you can just see the totals there. Davie, Sunrise, Fort Lauderdale Executive Airport, a little less to the south, and then you get into the Keys, and really the Keys getting pounded tonight because it's very close to that center of low pressure. So that's where the heaviest rain. Marathon coming up on 4.5 inches over, and look at the heavy rain just to the south of the Keys at this point. So these thunderstorms have been capable of producing small tornadoes, small spin-ups. Very common when you get something that is very similar to what a tropical storm would be like if it was moving through the Keys and southern Florida right now. So same type of thing. Winds are going to stay up tonight, this evening, gusts 35 to 40 miles per hour, but look how this drops by tomorrow morning around 7 a.m., dropping down to about 15 to 20 mile per hour gusts. So improving conditions are on the way, but we'll have to get through the next few hours as this area of low pressure winds up and moves to the northeast, carrying with it very heavy rainfall. Could see as much as 3 inches per hour. Then tomorrow we'll go back to some drier air, but for the time being, 100% chance for a rainy evening going into the overnight hours.